AmCham Slovenia presents AmCham Business Breakfast, Networking with Content. Today's topic: understanding intellectual property can be the matter of your business success or failure.
Innovation without protection is philanthropy. Of course, Bill Gates and Warren Buffett and others can be, let's say, active in philanthropy. And I would add that philanthropy is a luxury which only rich can afford. So meaning you have to take, as business, care of intellectual property more in the future in order to maintain and maybe increase and improve your competitiveness at European and global scale.
And this is one of the main problems in Slovenia in this field, since there's no real strategy in the field of intellectual property. We can look at the administrative structure in this field, where the Ministry of Economy is in charge for this field. But in fact, nobody is working on that. Only there is one administrative body within the ministry, which called Office for Intellectual Property, but the problem is that this body is a body at the operational level, not at the strategic level, and that's why there's a real absence of strategy of Slovenia in the field of intellectual property.
Companies should be at least aware of what they need, but then professional implementation of their decisions could be left to professionals like patent attorneys, lawyers, etc., etc. And last but not least, there should be an open dialogue between government and companies or stakeholders as well, and professionals. And this is what I'm afraid this dialogue is missing in our practice.
I think the bottom line of everything what we found out today in the morning is that we need a dialogue, and dialogue. I think that's all we need, and we need a trilateral dialogue between state representatives on one side, the collecting societies and right holders on the second side, and on the third side the association of the users. And I think with that, with constant good and strong dialogue, we can reach better future.
I think very importantly for the very innovative Slovenian companies and SMEs and mid-sized entities that are coming out, what it means certainly is to make sure that they are safeguarding their future, which is protecting their knowledge and their know-how through intellectual property and trademarks. So I think the critical question, as highlighted, was that the companies should really identify what they need to do, when they need to do, with whom they need to do, and how much they need to do.